It's raining. Oh. Well, at least Shinobu's not here. If she was here, she'd be like, Tomioka-san, this is why you have no friends. Ah. I'm glad you're here, though. It's getting cold here. It's pretty chilly. Here, wear this. That will keep you warm. Don't worry. I'm fine. It's not that cold to me. Even though I was the one who pointed out how cold it was. Just ignore that fact, okay? It's cold. It's really cold. Maybe if we stuck together, it would be less cold. You know, keep ourselves warm using our bodies. I mean, not in that way. Not in that way. Just, just us sitting together. We can share, keep ourselves warm. It's really warm. Very warm. With you, it's not so cold anymore. I like this. Here, being with you, it takes my mind off of a lot of things. I like being with you. Apologies if it's too straightforward. I just like spending time with you. I hope, in a way, you feel the same way. You do? Well, that's good. Here I was, thinking no one could ever love me. No one could ever remember me. But I'm happy. I'm happy you feel that way. Wow. It's really raining out here. I used to think that I had no friends. Partly because Shinobu said so, but I realized there were people around me who cared. And that includes you. So I hope you stick around. Please, don't ever change your mind. It would be heartbreaking. Jeez. The rain's really loud. I don't know what to do. Let's hope that we're safe. I've never experienced the rain being this loud, being so strong. It's probably gonna storm, so, you know, I'll protect you, okay? I will always protect you against demons, against anything. You'll be safe with me. It's getting cold again. It's cold again. It's chilly as hell. It's because of the rain. I don't know what to do. Can we cuddle? That's good. It's really cold. Well, looks like we'll be stuck here for a while. I don't know when we'll ever get out of here because of the rain. Let's just hope, okay? Let's hope for the best. Oh, and I forgot to tell you. I love you.